Welcome to the Comprehensive Prompt Engineering course. In this video, we will introduce you to the fascinating field of natural language processing, or NLP. Introduction to NLP. Natural language processing is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on the interaction between computers and human language. It involves analyzing, understanding, and generating human language in a way that computers can comprehend. NLP has a wide range of applications across various industries. It enables us to perform tasks such as sentiment analysis, machine translation, named entity recognition, text summarization, and question answering systems. However, NLP also faces several challenges due to the complexity of human language. Some of them are ambiguity, contextual understanding, language variations, named entity recognition, and interpreting idioms and sarcasm. Despite these challenges, NLP plays a crucial role in many AI applications. It allows computers to process and understand human language, extracting valuable insights from large amounts of textual data, improving decision-making and automation. In this video, we introduced you to the field of natural language processing. We discussed its applications, challenges, and the importance of NLP in the realm of artificial intelligence. In the next video, we will dive deeper into the techniques and processes involved in text pre-processing for NLP tasks.